Hello everyone, my name is Jose Vigoro. I am the Good Teacher of the Good Teacher videos, and today we are going to cover dividing decimals part 1. So in this equation we have 3.3 divided by 7.7. And for those of you that don't know or maybe just can't remember, we're going to put the second number on the outside of the bracket and the first number on the inside. Now, this is a perfect decimal to divide by because they both have a decimal point in the same value space. So we can treat it as normal. We can ignore the decimals and simply just say 77 inside of 33. Now we know that automatically 77 doesn't fit inside 33, so we're just going to put a 0 at the top. Now we're going to add a 0 to the far right side of the answer and also the inside number. There's a decimal point and there's a decimal point, and we're going to add a 0 at the end. Why do I do that? To be honest with you, I have no idea why we are told to add the 0 there, but apparently it works, and it does. So now we're going to do 77 inside of 330. So if we look at the equation, 77 inside of 330, we know it can go inside at least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that 4 is going to be part of our answer. Now we're going to do 4 times 77, which is 308. And then we subtract. This 0 becomes a 10 because we're borrowing from that 3, and this 3 becomes a 2. So now we have 10 minus 8, which is 2, 2 minus 0, which is 2, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. So we're going to leave that blank. Now we're not done yet because I'm going to add another 0 to the end of the second number. We're going to drop it down, and now this 22 becomes 220. So now we have to figure out how many times 77 goes inside 220. And if you look over here, we already have the answer. We know it goes in at least 2 times. We can't do it 3 times because 3 times 77 is 231, which is much larger than this. So we know it's going to be 2. So this number 2 is going to go at the very top. And then we repeat the process. 2 times 77 is 154. We subtract it. This becomes a 10. This becomes a 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. We can't subtract the 1 from a 5, so we have to borrow from here. This one becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. We're going to add one more 0 to the end of the equation, just to make sure. I always like doing that, so people can see how the process works. So now we have 660. Now I'm going to fast forward this part, but I'm going to work it out in my head real quick. We know that 77 goes inside 660 at least 8 times. So we're going to put that 8 up here. And we're going to leave it there for now, because if I continue, the numbers will just keep going. And nobody wants to stay stuck that long on this equation. So I'll pull out my handy dandy calculator. We will do 3.3 divided by 7.7, and that should give us the same answer. 0.428, and look what we have here, 0.428. And that's how you do dividing decimals. That is all for now. I hope this video helped you understand dividing decimals. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell for notifications. I wish you a great day and a greater week. God bless. Bye.